Okay, let's keep finding bugs. So what happens if I do this? That's fine. I guess check how all this sounds right now. I haven't tested effects much. What's a funny one? This one. Well, this is bad to use in debug mode because it's so intensive, but I can rely on the baking to help me out. I find it's always nice to... Oh, that's quite interesting actually. I haven't actually played around with Blockhead much since adding the segment curves like this to the envelope editor. And I just had a moment there where I tried to add a point, and intuitively I was like, oh, I want to add a point here. So I'm just going to like click and drag the point. But I clicked on the line, which opens the segment editor. So I had a moment there where I was like, huh? So is that a thing which is actually bad about the UI? Or is it just... maybe that's something that you would just get used to pretty quickly, I don't know. Not really sure. I'm just fucking around with this effect, it's pretty fun. Baking, baking, baking. What can I test? I had like a test plan, but I've finished all the things on my test plan, so now I'm just like, what else can I test? I don't know. Just sort of doing things off the top of my head now. This isn't working. This is working, right? Oh, hey, look at that. Alright, there's still bugs to find. So I know exactly where to look. This is, okay, this is the baked waveform. Does that happen with synths as well, maybe? I'll have to create something more. How do I do it? Give me a more complex waveform, please. There we go. Ah yeah, synths have the same problem. What the fuck is happening there? What's even going on? There might be multiple issues there, but then let's first of all just... Oh, look at that. Okay, well, I'm just going to solve the initial issue there, which is... I think I need to restart my computer because it's like... all morning it's been... really chugging along for some reason. So hold on, let's do this again. Right, that is going to be somewhere around here. Look at it, look at how slow my computer is right now. What the hell's going on? Maybe it's OBS. But it was kind of sluggish even before I started recording. On view offset changed. So, okay, the view offset is the essentially the distance off the left-hand edge of the screen an item is. That's generally what it means. So there should be link on view offset changed. On view offset changed. Exactly. It's not doing anything other than updating the editors. Okay. Hold on. Update. Is this right? So I think the view offset is literally just a shader parameter. So it's really cheap to do that update. Because I'm just like offsetting into a buffer. Let's see about that. This function called update baked waveform visuals is basically saying it's saying that the baked waveform has changed in a way such that we don't need to do any really complicated like regeneration of the waveform or anything like that, but it's changed in a way that we can represent the change just by modifying shader parameters. So it's just going to apply all of the shader parameters in one go, even if one of them changed. So changing the color of a block, for example, would also do the same thing. Anyway. Bang. Didn't work. Okay. Didn't work. So as soon as I get over there, it should go here. I'm surprised that doesn't work. Should get to here. And then here. What? What happened? Right, yeah, that makes sense. So this is, I'm looking at the wrong one. Okay. Right, this is the baked waveform of the effect block. It's updating now, so it should go into here. Yes. Then what does this do? Set shader params. Width, height, yeah. Then source. I pressed the wrong hotkey, I think. Yes, I did. Then we go through this stupid type erasure bullshit. Which is really annoying to debug. That's right, I'm wrong about what I need to do. I need to actually yeah, I remember now. So blink block control, update, let's just do it like this. Baked waveform, update, update, update flags, waveform. What I need to do instead of updating the shader parameters, I go update info geometry. The view offset is part of the geometry state. So I say this is dirty, and then it will. Again, it doesn't need to do any really complicated calculation, but it will modify the offset into the buffer, which actually is a shader parameter, but it's not just a visual element. So I have it in this other dirty flag, separate from the others shader parameter dirt. Sort of saying real sentences, I think. They're not always grammatically correct. Alright, buddy, come on. Yeah. Bang. I don't know, I always use the low pass filter for testing. Should probably mix it up. Looks fine. And that should also sort out this one. You can't open Burk without fucking with it a little bit. Just for fun. Okay, that's working. Just testing. I guess just make sure that this sort of thing is working. What about this? Yeah. Yeah. enabled. So this is a trouble spot sometimes. The old enable checkbox. Eh. Yeah, it didn't do anything. Wait, what? What is that doing? Oh, sorry, I need more coffee inside me. Yeah, the enable checkbox is working. It's just disabling the resonance envelope. So a better test would be, again, I did the same thing. Maybe that is a mistake to be able to click on the segment, because I wanted to be able to add. I was trying to add a new point there, so I was trying to do that, but instead I clicked on the segment and it opened the curvator. I need to think about that a little bit, I suppose. So yeah, if I disabled the modulation, it's just default. Okay. So let's have a think about that. If I have, so when it's blown up like this, I suppose it's not as common of an issue, but when it's very narrow, like if I want to add a point between these 2 points, then naturally I'm just going to go, yeah, I need to do that. But instead I'm going like that. I might need feedback from users about that. I put so much effort into making it so that like calculating the distance from the cursor to the line so that you can click anywhere on it. But trying it out properly now, maybe that's not how you should be opening the segment editor. It feels really good if that's what you want to do. If you're like, I want to edit this curve, just click on the line and drag. It just feels really nice. Alternatively, if you're like, I want to add a new point between these 2 points, it's kind of unintuitive to be like, oh, I have to click up here above the line or below, rather than just on it. But it might just be a thing where if you make this mistake enough times, you'll stop making the mistake because you just understand the UI better then, and then it just stops being a problem. Like as soon as you learn it, it's not a problem. But you might have to keep making that mistake a few times before it becomes natural to not click on the line to add a point. I don't know, maybe it's fine. Yeah, let's stop recording again, and I'm going to upload these videos separately as like different bugs being fixed. 19 minutes, alright.